you're gonna do this, please be careful with your fingers. Hey guys, it's Sugar. So today, obviously you can tell by the title what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut my hair short. I have never done this in my entire life. Like, I've never got a haircut above my shoulders, so this is definitely something new. And if you guys don't know, my dream haircut is actually like a bob cut with bangs. And every single time I see someone like on Instagram with that kind of haircut, I just like follow them and like stalk them because their hair just looks so good, and I've always wanted to do on mine, but I've just been so hesitant. I don't know why I've never cut my hair short. I feel like because I have kind of wavy hair, I'll end up looking like a lion with a mane if it doesn't end well. So, but now, you know, I feel like I've mustered up my courage. I'm finally doing it, so yeah. Also, this is actually my second time that I'm gonna cut my hair during quarantine. I think I got my hair cut last May, and my hair was like up to my belly button, and then I trimmed it to this length, which I feel like is nice. It's actually layered and it ended up pretty good. So I just want to really cut it and like commit to like short hair. Now I do have quite a square face, and I did a bit of research on this, and there's like specific things you want to avoid doing with your hair if you want it to make it look less square. So number one, what I saw is you never should cut your hair up to your jaw because it'll only make your face look wider. And then also never get your bangs cut straight, because then again you're forming sharper angles and you want to kind of soften the look. But the thing is, the haircut that I'm aiming right now has both of those things, so I'm probably look like SpongeBob towards the end of this video. That's why we're doing it during quarantine, because nobody's really gonna see me, so we're just gonna do it. So I do have my handy dandy scissors here and a brush and like some other tools that's gonna help me. Actually, you know, for my bangs, I'm still thinking about whether I'd like cut them back. This is probably the longest time I've never cut my bangs. I always cut my bangs. But yeah, I'll like give it some thinking, you know, once my hair is actually short, then I'll decide whether I get bangs or not. Now, before we get started, I just want to share with you guys that I do have a bit of experience with cutting my hair, because I've cut my own bangs and they looked okay, I guess. I mean, it's okay for me. And then I also cut my mom's hair, insert photos here, and then I also cut my brother's hair during quarantine. I'm not sure if he'll allow me to post some pictures of him, but yeah, very proud of what I did. So now I'm gonna cut my hair. First off, I don't know where to start, because if you have short hair, like, everything needs to be even till the back. Now the thing is, it's kind of hard to cut the back. You know what, let's just not think about it and let's just do it. So this is what I always see on people, like they just put their hair in pigtails and then just snip their hair. Oh. Okay, here, please. Okay, so I'm gonna cut like this much. Oh god. Oh gosh. Wait, I'm actually scared because like, since the hair is like pushed forward, like it's not gonna be even. Like, how to... Honestly, like when I cut my hair on my own without a camera, I feel fine, but like the pressure of the camera being here. Now the challenge is to make this even, so... Is it just me, or like, why is this hair longer? Okay, I feel like I need to do this over again because it's so not even. You guys, like, this is so much longer. What? Can you tell I'm a bit like panicky right now? Okay, so I'm gonna cut above the thing. Should I just like... I thought I was like cutting a lot of hair already, but I've barely made it to the middle. Oh man, we're gonna be here for a while. My hair is like so thick. Oh, man, it's taking so long. Oh Okay. My hands are kind of getting tired. Almost. Oh my god, there's so much hair. Okay, it's still long. Like, it's definitely not the length I want. But, okay, we'll do the other side. Right here. Also, if you're gonna do this, please be careful with your fingers. Oh. That's actually a better technique. I found a technique. Use the tips. Oh, this is like perfect ASMR. Wait a minute. I'm gonna like get closer to my phone. And we're done! Look at my hair. Oh god, it's so uneven. This is what I feared. Let's not panic. We're gonna sort this out. But it's kind of short. So I'm gonna maybe split my hair into sections. So I'm gonna first grab this top part. That looks good, right? So I feel like this is the best I can make it as even as I can. Do you like my fur? Little, come here, little doggy. Do you want a haircut too? I'm getting lip sweat and dog hair and my hair all over me. Okay. Ooh, it's actually pretty straight. Damn. You want to be part of the video? Come here. Hello. Do you want to get your haircut next? Okay, so I just finished taking a shower. Actually, I ate lunch while I was letting my hair air dry. But yeah, I'm just so happy with my hair. It's so short. I've never gotten my hair cut this short ever in my life. I feel like the shortest I've ever gotten before was like up to here. I'm honestly like speechless. I did not expect it to look this way. Maybe it's because it's something new and I've never tried it before, so I'm not used to seeing myself like this, but I really like it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I honestly missed saying that. I didn't get to say it in my previous video. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all to bits and pieces. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay sweet. Bye. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.